Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to create a Streamlit application which extract the text from images using pedal OCR. So before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today we will create a Streamlit web application which extract the text using pedal OCR from our images. So for that, simply open first TonyPython IDE. We will install a packages. So open TonyPython IDE, then go to the tools, manage packages, and first package which is Pillow. So this is the package which we need, Pillow, and click on search on PyPy. As you can see, Pillow, which is our first package, just select it, click on install button, and then it will install Pillow on our Windows 11 machine. Then we need pedal package. It's a pedal. So pedal package, this package for pedal OCR. So search for pedal, select it, first package, click on install button, done. It will install pedal package like this way, pedal. And then we need pedal OCR, hit enter, then first package pedal OCR, click on install button, done. It will install pedal OCR. Then we need Streamlit package. So Streamlit, click on search on PyPy, first package, select it, click on install button, and it will install Streamlit package on our Windows 11 machine. So this is how we need Pillow package. Then we need a pedal package, then we need pedal OCR, and then we need Streamlit package. So this is the packages which we need for this project. So we have done with package installation. Now simply open the browser. I will mention the link inside description box. Simply copy paste the link inside the web browser. Streamlit image to text, this is what the repository name. Then go to the code, click on download zip, and it will download our zip format repository. As you can see, we successfully downloaded. Minimize all these things and open file manager, go to the downloads and repository, right click, extract all, click on extract, and it will extract our folder. So this is what our folder, and inside that I have created app.py code. Simple. So let's just open app.py with the help of TonyPython IDE. I have mentioned the full code. I will explain the code step by step. So import Streamlit as st, our Streamlit package. So import Streamlit as st. Then we will call our pedal OCR package. So from pedal OCR, import pedal OCR. From pedal OCR, import pedal OCR. From PIL, import image, and import numpy as np. Now we want to call our pedal OCR. So OCR, this OCR is just a variable. So OCR is equal to this pedal OCR. As you can see, P is capital, then OCR is all the way capital, pedal OCR. And from pedal OCR we will use angle CLS is equal to true method, and language is basically English. Simple. Now we call our pedal OCR in this OCR variable. Now first we want to process our image, and when we process our image, we will send the process image in this OCR, and it will return our text. It will basically read the text from image. Simple. So I have created here a function, dep process image. This is the process image function for processing the image. So process image is the function, and of course inside that we want to pass our image. So object is basically image. Done. Now image is equal to, we will use this image. So PIL import image. So this image, here it is, as you can see, image, I is capital, image. So image is equal to, first we want to open the image. So image is equal to image dot open and what we are going to open, we are going to open our image. So simply we will pass the object here, image. Simple. So image is equal to image, this image dot open image, open the uploaded image using PIL. Simple. Now we want to convert the image into RGB for pedal OCR, because pedal OCR expects the RGB format. For that we want to convert our image into RGB format. So image underscore RGB is just a variable. Then again we will use this image. So image dot convert, and we will convert the image into RGB format. Then convert to NumPy array, for pedal OCR works with NumPy arrays. So now again image RGB to NumPy, NP is just a variable, and we will use this NP. That's why we import here NumPy. So this NP here, NP dot array, and we will pass this image RGB. Now it will convert our RGB image into NumPy array. And then simple, now we have done with all the image processing. Now we want to simply pass our image RGB NP to inside this OCR method. So here it is, as you can see, result is just a variable, and from this OCR dot OCR, and this is the image RGB NP, this is the RGB NumPy array. So OCR dot OCR, and this is the variable CLS is equal to true. Simple. And then it will extract a detected text. OCR will extract detected text. So for that we will use for line in this result, the first result, text plus line, and it will take the result, it will take the first result. Then what will happen here, it will read the text, means it will read a one by one text. Simple. You will get the idea when we will start our app. So it is really easy. This is the process image function, which basically first open the image, then it will convert the image into RGB format, and then it will convert the RGB image into NumPy array, and then the NumPy array we will pass inside our OCR method, and then OCR method will return the text from image. That's it. So we have done with process image function. Now we want to create our application, which is Streamlit. So here, what is Streamlit? Import Streamlit. So Streamlit is basically ST. So if I want to call Streamlit, I want to simply mention this ST, because import Streamlit as ST. So here def main, this is the main function. So ST, this is the ST. This ST is basically Streamlit. So ST, we want to mention the title for our application. So st.title, and this is the application title. And then upload image is basically again variable. So when user start application, first what he will do, he will upload the image. So for that we want to create upload image method. So uploaded image is equal to this st, again this st. From the st dot file uploader, upload an image, the text, and the type is basically JPG, PNG or JPEG. This is the type format which we allow for our application, or we can say which we allow to user upload the image, which in this format, the JPG, PNG and JPEG. Simple. And then if there is uploaded image, simply we will use st.image. st, again st is basically Streamlit. So from st.image, the uploaded image and the caption uploaded image, use the container width is equal to true. So this is basically how it's look like, simple. And then process the image to extract the text. Now here process the image to extract text. Extracted text is equal to process image. So process image is our function, this one function, process image is our function. and inside that process image we will pass our uploaded image. Simple. And we will show the extracted text. So display the extracted text. If extracted text is there, st.subheader, this is the method, st.subheader. st means, as I again mentioned, st is basically our Streamlit, because we mention here Streamlit as st. So st.subheader, this is the method, and it will show the header, and then it will print extracted text, and this is the area. Height is basically 200, and the extracted text, this is the area where we can see our extracted text, and else it will warning that the no text is detected. Simple. Then if name is equal to main and main, this is how we will call our main method. Simple. So this is really basic application for converting image into text, means it will extract the text from the image, as simple as. Now go to the tools and open system shell. So now as you can see, we are not inside our repository. So what we will do, we will simply open our file manager, and this is what our repository, as you can see, and just go here, click on it, and it will show the path. Right click, just right click and copy it, open the shell, and here we will run cd space and just Ctrl+V. Just press Ctrl+V and just hit enter. Now we are inside our repository where we have our app.py. This one, app.py. Here it is, as you can see. If I show the path, we have inside the Streamlit image to text main. This is what our repository folder, and inside that we have our app.py code. Now we will run our application. So run the command like this way: streamlit space run and app.py. Then just hit enter. It will open our application with the help of Chrome browser. As you can see, it's running. And friends, as you can see, this is what our text. If I open our code, so this is the text. If I make like this way, here it is, as you can see, this is the text. Image text recognition with pedal OCR and PIL. Image text recognition with pedal OCR and PIL. And then here we have option for browsing the files. Simple. So let's just click on browse files, and inside our repository I have mentioned 2 images. So this is our repository, and this is what our first image. Click on open, and it will upload the image, and this is basically a bill receipt image. As you can see, bill receipt image, and here we have extracted text. Here it is, as you can see, the receipt word, address word is there, 1 2 3 4, and all the information here you will see. From this image, with the help of pedal OCR, it will extract the text, and we have here text. So at the end, as you can see, we have balance and 84.80. So we successfully extract the text using pedal OCR. Also we create our own Streamlit application. Simple. Now we have our next image. So let's just close this one and go to the browse files again, and the second image, click on open, and this is basically our number plate image. So here it is, as you can see, this is the number 22BH6517A, 22BH6517A, then IND is there, and then the shutterstock.com is there. So it's basically extracting all the text from images. Simple. So this is how, friends, most easy way you can create your own application for extracting the text from image using pedal OCR and Streamlit. Simple. So I have mentioned the full code. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.